After more than a month-long exercise of the special intensive revision in West Bengal, the draft voter list is out and more than 58 lakh voters' names are out of this list. But what does this 58 lakh voters' names mean who are not in the list? It means that they are either dead, untraceable, they have permanently shifted their address, or for some reason they have not given the right data. Now what happens in this case? Is it the end of the road for these voters? No. What the Election Commission says is that the names of the people whose names are there in the draft voter list, those names are there with the booth level officers at various localities, and one must go and check their names in these lists. If their names are not there, then there is a provision for Form 6 where they have to fill up the forms and submit documents, relevant documents which has been given by the Election Commission. There's a list of 11 documents to prove your identity and to prove that there is a date of birth and that you are a citizen of this country. So these are the various formalities that will have to be completed if your name is not there in the draft voter list. For those who have the name in the draft voter list, it's not a problem. There's a 7.6 crore electorate here in West Bengal, and if 58 lakh voters' names are deleted, then the question is what happens to these voters. So the Trinamool Congress, of course, is crying foul, saying that many names have been deleted and this is a conspiracy theory. The BJP, of course, says that this is something that needed to be done, the special intensive revision, and it is to make sure that the genuine voters' names are on the electoral list. The final list will be out in February. So what happens now on? People can raise objections and their claims and fill out the Form 6 and appeal. And for those who will be called for a hearing, they will also have to submit their documents if the BLOs do require them to submit these documents. So it's not the end of the road for the citizens, but of course, for the citizens today who are trying to find their names on the list, they are also trying to locate whether their names were in the 2002 list, there is a linkage over there, or whether their names are in the 2026 list. So the Election Commission trying to make this process seamless. There's of course the Election Commission website of the Government of India, which has the names of the voters on the list, and the deleted names are also there, but that is in the West Bengal Chief Electoral Officer's website. So all provisions being made for the citizens, and as far as the deletions are concerned, there are several deletions from the booths where Mamata Banerjee is there and the constituencies under which Bhawanipur comes under, and there are few deletions from Shubhendu Adhikari, the BJP leader's constituency. So of course the Trinamool Congress has various concerns to raise, but for now the draft electoral list is finally out in West Bengal.